He says, whoever believes in Allah and obey my instruction, he will enter Jannah. And he who deviates from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala instruction and my instruction, he will enter hell. Allahu Akbar. 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 Rahmanir Rahim. إياك نعبد سبح اسم فهدى والذي هو غثاء أهوى نفعت الذكرى سيذكر أكبر. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. الحمد لله. والقمر إذا تلاها الليل إذا يغشاها. الله أكبر. سمع الله لمن حمده ربنا ولك الحمد. الله أكبر. 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 والأرض وما طهاها هم بذنبهم فسووا. سمع الله ربنا ولك الحمد. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. الله أكبر. الحمد لله رب العالمين. وعده الله إلى نبي.
Well, that will continue to make the environment secure, especially when the rainy season is coming, so that farmers can go back to their farms and we wouldn't have problem of food security.
So, talking about making the environment secure, you have done a lot to secure Nigeria. But as you continue to say, the situation in the south, in the north, central, and northwest is still giving you a sleepless night. What can you do about it?
Well, the heads of services, Army, Navy, Air Force, Inspector General of Police, and so on, are very much aware of the situation, and their duties to know where the terrorists are and eliminate them.
So a lot of presidential aspirants have come to you for endorsement. Some even say you have asked them to run while you watch. What kind of person would you like to hand over to?
The person that Nigerians elect.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.